Okay, I think this is part 3, but I gotta keep filming. People keep calling and messaging me, so I don't know where my videos are starting and cutting off at, but just going through the car. All this stuff is total, man. You're not about to sit here and tell me this stuff don't add value to a car. Shit. All them wires. It's wires. More wires. It's wires for days in here. That's their main thing. They want to keep saying the stuff don't add value. Yes, it does. Limitless lithium, AGM under the hood. Now, even if the car don't start, which I wouldn't expect it to, it still should go in accessory mode, but it's not going to in that because those items are shot. So I guess let me get to the next phase of this, which is, I guess, taking pictures for my attorney and sending stuff to him. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out.